we're asked to enter the decimal equivalent of 11 over 8. And we know that we can convert any fraction to a decimal by simply dividing the top number by the bottom number. So we're going to go 11, the top number goes inside the house, divided by 8. Now we're often going to end up with a decimal, so it's good to know where that decimal needs to go. If there were a decimal here, we need to move it over, but there's not. So we're just going to put our decimal where it lands after this 11, because 11 is the same as 11.0. So we can understand that our decimal is going to be right here, after 11. Notice how many times 8 goes into this number. 8 does not go into 1, so we're going to move to the next digit. 8 goes into 11 one time. 1 times 8 is 8. 1 minus 8, we're going to need to borrow. It becomes a 0. This becomes 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. 8 does not go into 3, so of course we bring down a 0. And notice I'm being very mindful of how my numbers are lining up. So now we're after the decimal. We're going to be moving into the decimal world here. 8 goes into 30 3 times, because 3 times 8 is 24. Times 8 is 24. Subtract. Eight does not go into 6, so let's bring down another 0. 8 goes into 60 7 times, because 7 times 8 is 56. Let's bring down another 0. We can continue bringing down zeros until we fully solve this problem, or we choose to round it. But we're going to just fully solve this problem. 8 goes into 40 5 times. 8 times 5 is 40. And at this point, we're done. 11 over 8 is equivalent to 1.375. And if you typed in a calculator 11 divided by 8, you would get 1.375.